Greetings everyone. It's another year of Playlist Live. I'm back at the Marriott World Center. It'll be another year of walking around, rubbing elbows and meeting folks, so see what's going on. And here we go, baby! I think it's the 10th year they've done this, so this is my 3rd year in a row. I still love coming to this convention. It's definitely one of my favorite conventions coming to of all time. If you're a creator, I highly implore you to come out, check it out, do your thing. So let's go in and see what type of madness it is, because last night was crazy. It's the calm before the storm, and if it was anything like last night, like this whole area was like just full of people. Can't even exaggerate how much people it was. But soon, in about like maybe an hour, it's gonna become madness. We are inside, baby! Set up the system. All right, there it is, USB-C. So there's tongue twisters. Oh my God, they're on the side. Okay. Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. Bit of better butter will make my butter better. So 'twas better Betty Butter bought a bit of better butter. Put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. Bit of better butter will make my butter better. So 'twas better Betty Butter bought a bit of better butter. Boom, baby! They said same thing. They said it's a bigger wheel. Spin the wheel, make a deal. Spin the wheel, make a deal. Spin the wheel. I spun it too hard. I got nice. Oh yeah, this is way bigger than last year.
Actually, it's starting to get a vendor present.
Yeah, look at that.
Last year was like 3 booths.
Yeah, it was very small last year. Now it's like huge. This is awesome. They actually have a ball pit. How funny. Go create with Canon. With my Canon G7X. Full pin?
Yeah.
So we're in the Fame Pick booth, which is actually really cool. They have these sippers and mugs and candy and liquid death. Liquid death?
What is it?
It's a new thing. These guys raised 20 million out of LA.
What?
Gen Z doesn't drink.
They don't drink water.
No, they don't drink.
Is this empty?
So instead of drinking alcohol, you drink liquid death.
It's like a drink.
But it looks like you're drinking beer.
You still seem cool.
So we're getting the headshots done. Kind of funny that they have a mountain water called Liquid Death. And Greg's new sunglasses. Check him out.
I'm finally cool.
He's cool, and you can get these sunglasses Fame Pick. Look at that. They are really cool sunglasses.
Oh, yeah. We hold up the Liquid Death.
Yes.
This is the best.
More and more people have built up in the food court line. Here we go. Right back in the lobby. Everybody's here. Everybody is here. Hello! Oh, you're hanging pretty precautiously over the edge. It's scary. I'm a big fan of the resort, of the Marriott. And a lot of times I spend way too much time kind of walking around this area, looking at the pool and the TikTokers. I feel when this is all over, I'm just gonna have a nice collection of sunglasses, like General Grievous. But it won't be lightsabers, it'll just be all these sunglasses that I've accumulated over my time here. Here they have a wall of compliments where you can literally come over here, grab a marker, and write a compliment. You know, so I'll take this little area. Let's see, smash. Boom. There it is, right there. Free hugs. You gotta bring it in. 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 Ah! I came to see my buddies.
Julia and I run a cooking channel called Healthy Junk Food, and also a second channel called
Your name's Julia?
It's like when you're starting, it's like really easy to get lost in like simple details. Like, oh, how will I film this? Like, how am I gonna like this? But if you just think like, at the end of the day, what do you want the video to be? Like, what do you want the story to be? then it's really easy to just kind of like go with the flow and figure out what you're going to do with the video.
I think you have to make sure your idea is unique in some capacity. I think every idea has probably been done before in some way. People had microwave stuff before I came along. But I tried to put a spin on it that was more comedy, more personality driven, so people could connect to it. The same way that Epic Mealtime succeeded, and the same way you guys succeed, because it's not just about the food, it's about where you're going, when you're talking to, how you're presenting it. Anyone can cook, right?
We feel kind of like it's the sea of this overly saturated content market, and I feel like a lot of people get caught up in that, and it stops them from wanting to actually get started because they're like, oh, I'm not as good as this person who's successful, so why would anyone follow me? So I have to start making content, and if you're comfortable, tell us about your first video that you ever made on your channels.
No, when I first started doing it, I was really infatuated with like eBaum's World and all these like websites that had random funny videos, and I really was like, this is a really fun market where people are just being bizarre and creative. So if you dig back into the internet, the interwebs back that far, things were more bizarre than you'd ever imagined and really creative. So my first video was me pretending to just make some crazy movie trailer of like a very dramatic action, romance, desire, you know, like that type of thing. And I really like doing those parody things and that type of comedy. And then I realized that it's a really, like you said before, it's very advantageous. It was really hard to do. It came out really bad, and I had fun doing it. But back then, really bad was really good.
Start when? Just start now.
Yeah.
There's a Chinese proverb: the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today.
Absolutely.
By the way, Lorraine and Gino, they got married, folks.
Yeah.
What?
She's taken.
We jumped.
She's taken.
I'm
taken. You jumped?
in the pool. We jumped.
They jumped in the pool. I thought they
Spanish and Jazz. We're Spanish.
fill in the blanks. Iron Man, hey buddy, how you doing? I just wanted to come. Hey, it's doing all right. I just wanted to come over and say, you know, we love your work. Rest in peace.
All right. I got Thanos though. I got Endgame Part 2.
Endgame Part 2?
There you go. Who knows?
End harder.
End harder. That's right. With a vengeance.
Yeah, day 2.
Oh, day 2.
Actually, it's day 3, but this is day 2 for you guys. We still have a mission to go through.
One thing.
One thing. We've been doing. Come here 3 days for one goal, and we're here for that one goal, and it will happen. Mission will go down.
Because I started in Hollywood and then transitioned to YouTube, and then got Hollywood attention in a much bigger way.
What did you do in Hollywood before?
It's a TV show. So it was DirecTV to be specific. The gaming TV show was called Championship Gaming Series, and it was basically 60 kids handpicked by the producers to play certain games like Street Fighter, Call of Duty, and go head to head and compete.
A lot of my stuff is kind of quicker, and sometimes there's a single joke in a video. Like there's just one joke thing. So just because there is so much sketch comedy out there now, at this point when I go to make a video, like I'm searching like lots of iterations of the title or the idea and stuff, because I know how critical I've been in the past of like intellectual property, that stuff. And it really is like a case-by-case basis with like, come on, they rip the shit off or they're not. But sometimes the stuff still falls through the cracks. I remember a few months ago I put out a video called like how the U.S. Postal Service delivers your packages, and the joke was just that I just destroyed the hell out of the package as I was delivering it, you know? And before that I was like post office parody, bad post office, mail, violence, policeman, short rock. And it's like, yeah, damn it. I haven't seen Ace Ventura, and I mean, you should. I'll see it, but it's that one movie that you stole as sketch.
next panel is TikTok Masterclass, how to use TikTok Analytics. How do you use TikTok Analytics, Greg?
What's TikTok?
Hell yeah, talk about boys supporting boys.
Boys supporting boys.
Boys supporting boys, right? That's all we gotta do.
Hell
right?
yeah, we're being good to the fellas, the ladies, everybody. We're just being nice, 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 or I'll kick your ass, and that's a promise.
I have nothing else to follow with that. We're back at Disney Springs because this is where we park because it's like $25 to go park at the Marriott World Center.
Don't park at the Marriott. Don't park here and then take an Uber over.
Take an Uber if you ever go to Playlist Live. Park here at Disney Springs. It's free. Uber over there, perfectly fine. You're spending like $20, $18 over the end of $25 that you'll typically spend. This was like a very fun playlist. Very, very exciting playlist. I feel like Greg and I both got to meet a lot of our favorite creators.
Definitely.
But this is Greg's first time. What'd you think, Greg?
I mean, there was a lot more young kids there than I would have liked and expected, but I mean, it was fun meeting some of the people that well, through you, because you know you seem to know everybody, so you introduced me to a lot of cool people. So yeah, overall I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it a lot. Yeah.
Yeah, and there was a huge like presence of TikTok everywhere. I think that was like the biggest thing that kind of tipped us off. That TikTok is heavy big thing, and I think we kind of ignore that, especially being on YouTube. But again, it's the future. I think that platform may not exist, but I think the template has seemed to kind of follow no matter what the Vine platform of the short videos and the short videos, one after another after another after another after another. So
I guess it's attention span. People have such a short attention span anymore, they can only tolerate a 15-second video.
So I'm gonna try something new with this video. It's gonna be a task. Even though this video may seem very, very long, I'm gonna shorten this video down to 1 minute and try to put it on TikTok. So you guys can watch it either here on YouTube or on my TikTok, which is listed right there. But that's it, I think we're done. We're going home, it's Sunday. I'm sick of it.
Sick of it too.
I'm out.